Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am standing on my kitchen. I just came from thrifting with my daughter and I didn't find really nothing that I like. I was looking for something for a collaboration that's coming up, but I did find something that I want to use in a Tuscany tablescape. They have two of the dinner plates, but they were both chipped. So I got the salad plates, which the today's color was yellow tag, and they were $3.99. So I only paid $2 for them, and I got them. Sorry guys, my bad. And I got them at my local Dollar Tree, at my local Goodwill. So hopefully the phone don't fall again. So they are these plates right here with the sunflower on it. I got four of them, so they're the same. But yeah, guys, I was happy to find these ones, and this one called Roosters, made in China. And what's funny is that the back of them are different colors, but they are the same play style. And yeah, so I got four of those, of course. And then I stopped at my Dollar Tree and I got a gnome for another collaboration. And finally, I found some bandanas. I'm going to use these bandanas as napkins. Yes, guys, as napkins. So hopefully they won't break. So then they are the same, of course. I think they are this. No, they're not the same. But yep, there you go. So I'm going to use napkins for a tablescape. That was one of the bandanas. And this is the other one. So guys, how you guys doing? And then this is the other one. Look at how cute with the gnomes. So yeah, guys, I got that. I got two sets, so I got four of them. And of course, I got some stirred for drinks, even though I don't drink. I bought them. I think they're cute. I bought a pack of flags to put on a flower arrangement. I bought a buffalo check um, material, the material. Oh, sorry guys. And then I bought a cog. I'm gonna see if I could make some minis for another collaboration that is coming up. And then we stop from the Dollar Tree. I also bought some peach floral to use. I bought this one. These ones are peonies, and these ones are hydrangeas. And then I bought these ones are spikes. They're called spikes. So I got these to put in a flower arrangement. And of course, I bought light bulbs from the Goodwill, and these ones are good light bulb, guys. They're energy savers, and they last a long time. So they cost me 50 cents because they were yellow tags. And then we stop at Five and Below, and I bought one of these groomer thingies for my eyebrows. I buy these, and I do my eyebrows with these. Well, guys, that's my haul. A 4-minute video. So I figured I'm still alive. I know I haven't been posting. I took some time off. Today I spent the day with my daughter, but I'm good. Yeah, guys. So gonna be taking part in a couple of collaborations, and I want to give a shout out to Melissa from Buckeye Girl Rhythm Thing. That she sent me some information. Melissa, I truly appreciate you guys. I'm gonna link her channel in my description box so you guys can go and check her out. Yeah, guys. So that's it. That's my haul. So, guys, I'm going to leave it right there. And I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.